If you'd like to access a catalog of over 400 products and manage vendor and supplier contracts effortlessly, you'll need CloudBlue's Vendor and Product Information Management solution. Now, for this demo, let's sign in as a service provider who wants to create a product and expand their product portfolio. Once signed in, go to the Products module to view the list of existing products. Click Create Product. You'll now see the Create Product form. Start filling this out by giving a product name and then selecting the primary locale, English. Then in Categories, select Analytics and click Create. In the General section, click the Upload Image icon to add a relevant icon for the product. As a short description, give an overview of the product and then click Save. In the Overview section, give a detailed description of the product functionality and then click Save. In the Media section, select all relevant images for the product and then click Save. Now go to Settings and click Edit. On the Settings page, enable the Administrative Hold button for the product to support, suspend, and resume actions. You can also enable the Pay-as-you-go button for the vendor to send usage files to its partners. Finally, click Save. The product is now in draft mode on the Products Directory page. To publish it, click the product and go to Versions. Then click Fork Master, give a simple description, and confirm visibility to the public. The product is now in Published mode. Manage your products, vendor, and supplier contracts with CloudBlue's Vendor and Product Information Management solution.